Hello, everybody. This is my test of HONK YouTuber software that I recently got into, and I wanted to test it how it's been while playing Balatro. I hope I get a really quick run with this. So let's get in, play the base difficulty. Currently, I am trying to get a run that I don't ever use flash. So and also the doubles. I'm pretty sure I should go with just trying to uh, only one of them, not getting flat flush or just not getting pairs. Holy shit, that's a good hand. Well, uh, it looks like I won't be losing anytime soon. Yeah, we get the buffoon pack. I'm gambling my shit. Yeah, fuck it, why not? I'm gonna use this. Also use. Fuck yeah. Also open the Arcana pack. That's to cut what we can have. Uh, Dang it. I love Wheel of Fortune. I always use it, but it never gives me anything. But god dang it, I can use it this time. Strength, hearts, diamonds, destroy selected two cards. What do you do? Yeah, let me just do that. I don't wanna use this card on these two. And we are out of money. Doubles your money. There's nothing to double. Let's see. Also, as I am recording this, I am holding the microphone I have uh, on my hand, so it will be an interesting one. Okay, let's together a good run. I'm not sure if I will go for Cartier Random. Wait, yeah, I usually need to discard these two. Oh shit! I no, I'm gonna use these two. Wait, I forgot. Queen is gone. Fuck. King, two kings. Use both. I really don't care about how much I do. Use both. Anyways, we are saved. Right? How? Yes, I got watch. Anyways, let me purposefully lose this. Let me just lose. So this is how it goes in a game like Balatro, that you use your mouse, since this program used your mouse to track your eyes and more. I want to try this. This thing doesn't work with games that lock your mouse to the middle, so you can aim your camera and stuff. Redeem time. Blank time. Okay, I got this. I don't know what. Wait, plus one Joker slot? That's interesting. Anyways, this is all about it. Thank you for watching. This program has been the program has great results. Was getting to this degree was kind of. I will also have a rant video about this that I will be posting. So you guys enjoy this. See ya.